Nathan Isaiovych Altman was born December 22, 1889, died December 12, 1970. He was a Ukrainian artist, Cubist painter, stage designer and book illustrator. He studied painting and sculpture at the Art College in Odessa, now independent Ukraine. In 1906, he had his first exhibition in Odessa. In 1910, he went to Paris, where he stayed for 1 year. He studied at the Free Russian Academy in Paris, working in the studio of Wladimir Baranoff-Rossine, and had contact with Marc Chagall, Alexander Archipenko, and David Shterenberg. His first solo exhibition in Leningrad was in 1926.